Hello friends, see the components firstly, and this is cardboard on which two poles are mounted, and this is speaker magnet, and this is a hole on which we'll make a ring of copper wire, a coil basically. Now make 50 tons of this copper wire. After making 50 tons of copper wire, we will insulate the end points of this coil. This is coil. Now coil made, 50 tons coil made. Now we insulate the end points. Remove whole insulation first side. Now then, and second side remove. Now we power source with 12 volt DC. 12 volt DC source on two poles positive, place magnet in mid, and now mount the coil shaft in the hole made already on the cardboard. Now give a small rotation manually. Give a small rotation and it will start rotating like this. Now it started rotating, and watch rotation.